The Spring Festival holidays don't begin until Friday, but in Beijing, millions of people are already on the move. Many of them are returning home to celebrate with their families. Few here seem concerned about a deadly outbreak of viral pneumonia.
If you have a cold, just buy medicine and take it. The disease is not serious.
But the outbreak has now taken a critical turn. One of the country's leading epidemiologists confirmed there have been cases of human-to-human transmission. Most victims were previously thought to have been infected by animals. Still, health experts in China say the situation is not as bad as many people fear.
It took us only 2 weeks to identify the novel coronavirus. With well-rounded monitoring and quarantine systems, I don't think it will cause the same social and economic impact SARS did 17 years ago.
Authorities have been criticized for not sharing more details. On the social media app Weibo, many compared it to the handling of SARS. The 2003 epidemic killed more than 700 people, and China was accused of covering up the extent of the outbreak. What's prompted a lot of the criticism is that up until now, authorities hadn't revealed any confirmed cases in China outside of Wuhan. That seemed highly unlikely, given that there were reports of the disease in places like Hong Kong and Japan and Thailand. And even now, people think there are far more cases than what authorities are saying.
It is no less frustrating, however, for not just the general public and the healthcare community, but also as scientists, as epidemiologists, to try and figure out what's going on. And I still remember the same sense of frustration during the time of SARS. There are some things that are unknowable without more information, and we are still at that stage.
Others aren't taking any chances. Many countries are stepping up efforts to screen travellers from Wuhan. Experts say key to stopping the disease is preventing the emergence of a super spreader who could infect others quickly, although the likelihood of that happening remains unclear.
I would believe that even there is a human-to-human transmission, the transmission efficiency is rather limited.
If something like that does emerge, China may struggle to contain the outbreak at the busiest travel time of the year. Patrick Fonk, TRT World, Beijing.